Assalamu alaikum, friends and viewers. How are you? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. Viewers, in last video, we were discussing about the earning of YouTube or economic of YouTube. So today's our video is a continuity of the last video. Please watch my whole video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. This is very informational and very useful video to you all. First of all, we discuss how do people earn money on YouTube. This question intrigued me much as a child. Some of the ways are through Google Ads, product placement, and YouTube sponsorship. Google Ads, some people make money through the ads appearing before their videos on YouTube. YouTubers sign up through Google for an AdSense account that tracks how many impressions a video gets. An impression is counted as a viewer watches the video for more than 30 seconds at any time. AdSense revenue is based on the number of views showed during the video and the number of clicks on the advertisement. There is a 45 to 55 split policy in which 45% of ad revenue is kept by Google and the rest of 55% is to the content creators. Product placement payment of the service is another way for people to monetize content on YouTube. When a company pays the YouTube content maker directly to endorse an item and feature. It in the video payment for product placement occurs generally speaking the more people watching a video, the more it has value for an advertiser or sponsor. Therefore, it is likely to generate more revenue for the creator of the content. For people interested in benefiting from YouTube content, one of the most important priorities is to increase the size of their audience. YouTube sponsorship, this is the thing all YouTubers earn for. So what it is sponsorship? It is when a brand invests in a YouTube, when the brand feels that the YouTuber is successful and reliable, the YouTuber may be paid by the brand to create a one-off video specifically about a product launch. A company, event, a website opening, or something like that, or the brand sponsors the entire YouTube channel, and then in each video, YouTuber must recommend it or use the product. The income a YouTuber receives from the sponsorship a variable depending on brand and content. But here is a rough idea. YouTubers earn from the brands for the pending videos starting from $10 to $50 per thousand views anywhere depending on the estimated number of total views. If the video hits or cross 1 million views, YouTuber will make $10,000 to $50,000 anywhere. But it is not always a profit for YouTubers. There are challenges additional to production costs such as average rate for pre-roll advertising is significantly lower than that for a traditional media channel like CNN. But at the end of the day, if the YouTuber is able to gather a large base of viewers or subscribers and get more views for the videos, the income they receive will be enough for a livelihood. In fact, the highest paid YouTubers make more than $20 per year, with $20 million per year, which is no wonder why people are flocking to make money on YouTube. In conclusion, we have seen the influence and reach of YouTube in today's modern world, how brands use the content to promote their interest, and how content creators make a livelihood from the ad revenue and also use it to improve, expand their content. So, guys, you watched and listened about how we can earn on YouTube and how YouTube pays the money to YouTubers. I hope it will be very useful and helpful video for you all. Thank you for watching my video.